Sir, it's proper. Sir, it's proper.
Yes, sir, it's proper.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Thanks a lot for helping me. Now, Sakina, please start with the prayer today
Okay, sir.
and slowly as you do in the school. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay. Thank you for praying for us. I hope, my dear students, throughout the lecture you will cooperate me. See, especially I have taken this lecture, I have taken the Wi-Fi connection so that with a high speed, you will not get the blur screen at all because this is 5G connection. So don't worry about that. Yes. And now, if you have the problem in your connection, that is different thing. So I request all my dear students, wherever you are sitting, open the window. Yes, I know cold is there, but I have opened the window. You have to wear something earphone so that that cold air doesn't get inside your ears. But if you will sit near the window, you will get good connection, and our throughout the lecture will go amazing. So, can you see my face?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
students. Now, one by one, just say yes, sir, and your name if you are mentally present in the class.
yes, sir, Muskan Raujani.
Yes, sir, Kasman Ifat.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
Rajan.
Yes, sir, Musang Alisha.
very good. Okay. So now, Rauzani Muskan, I want to
Yes,
ask you
sir.
a question. What have we done in the previous lecture, Muskan?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have done in previous lecture, you had explained lesson number 12, adjective.
Explained or I have just started the explanation?
No, you had explained and you had started the exercise. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. We had
Okay.
done till D1. This completed,
D.
half is remaining.
Okay. Okay. We have to start from E. Okay. Now, Alicia, I need your help.
Yes, sir.
Alicia, I want to just mark that how much board is visible. Okay. So when I go on this side, just tell me how much it is visible to you. I will mark over there. So I should know that. More than that, I don't have to go on the right side.
Okay, sir.
So show me till where should I go? Tell me stop if I go here.
Sir, you written upside 50. This
Yes,
only
and
visible.
then
No,
this
this
much.
only visible.
See my
Your
hand.
hand is
My hand. But
your
Alicia,
hand go.
you have to twist your screen. You have to turn the mobile like this.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Wow, smart fellow. Seriously.
Now I do.
Thank God. You have extraordinary mind, don't you think? Okay, from this side if I go then
Full board is there is
this much,
visible.
this much.
No, full.
I need this much only. This much is visible, no?
Yes.
And if I go this side, this much,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
but that's it. Okay, because for grammar I don't need more than this. Okay, so we have started chapter number 12. adjectives. We have started chapter number 12, adjectives. And yesterday I explained you what is an adjective. Before I start, or I should say before I continue, someone's mic is on, dear. Please mute it. See, before I start further from sentence E, I want to just recall whatever we have learned. Please turn off the mic. Someone's mic is on. It is distracting me a lot. Okay, now before I start the exercise, because we have solved till sentence number D. So before I start from E, I want to just recall with the topic adjective. So just who else is there? Sakina, can you call out one name from the group?
Yes, sir.
Or do you want to answer me? Do you want to answer?
No, sir.
You are afraid?
No.
Then you were not there in the previous lecture?
Yes.
No problem. Call out one name. Those whose turn has not come. Like I have talked with Alisha, I have talked with Muskan, I have talked to you. Now those whose turn has not come, please call out the name.
Okay, sir. Alwani Kulsum.
Okay, good. Alwani Kulsum, are you there, beta? Okay, if she is not there, we will mark absent in my book. Okay, I will request ma'am to mark absent for the Alwani Kulsum. Okay, next name. Sakina, are you there?
Yes, sir. Imran Malkani.
Who is that?
Sir,
Malkani.
Khadija Malkani.
Okay, Khadija Malkani. Malkani Khadija.
Sir, Alwani Kulsum has come.
Is she ready to answer? Ask her.
Alwani Kulsum,
Yes.
you want
Alwani Kulsum, yesterday we started adjectives. So I just want to know what, according to you, is an adjective? What do you understand by the word adjective?
Yes, sir.
Whatever you remember, you can say.
Adjective is
Adjective is
I yes. I going to Ahmedabad with my new dress.
okay.
New is adjective.
Very good. So you can say that I am wearing
Yes.
a new dress. I am
Yes.
wearing a new dress. Okay, this is an example given by you. So you are saying that new is adjective, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So Alicia,
Yes.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Alicia, just now your friend said, Kulsum said that new is adjective. Okay. Now can you explain that why new is adjective in this sentence?
Because new is because the
Because dress is
dress
new.
will be the new. So the new was like new is the adjective.
You are not to the point. You are not precisely explaining. What is written, that is what you have said. You did not explain anything else. You're explaining me properly why new is adjective. For that, you should know that what is the criteria to select adjective. Okay. Anyone else can explain why new is adjective. Come on.
Excuse me, sir. Can I speak, Muskan?
Yes, beta.
Sir,
Yes, Muskan.
that the Kulsumas wear new dress. You will give us history that what is in the dress and that all thing. That is what is
Sorry,
adjective.
I did not understand, beta, what you're trying to say. Speak slowly, clearly.
Okay, sir. Sir, new is adjective because it will give history that a new dress is Kulsum as well new dress that way.
You are right, but still, if you see that your explanation is not right, I know you understand what is adjective, but how to explain, that is the point. Because the people who are not coming in the lecture, they will watch our lecture on YouTube. So they should understand what is adjective, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think Kulsum said this. Kulsum, can you explain, beta, why new is adjective?
Yes. New is
Come on, we have to solve the sentences from exercise number one.
new word is
Yeah.
new meaning is we have anywhere any चीज we new no my dress is new तो उसको new बोल
Now, why new is adjective? That is my question.
sir I don't know Sir,
So no problem.
sir,
See, yes, yes, please. Yes,
wait
please.
an inch.
Sure, sure.
New is adjective because new describes the dress.
Exactly. Clap for her, please. Clap for her.
Thank you, sir. Ghost come.
Okay, now mute your mic. Everyone, please make sure when you answer, after answering, you have to mute your mic. So, girls, please write down this now. Please write down. You have to write new circle, then you have to write adjective, and then you have to underline the dress, and then you have to write n. N means noun. Okay. So you have to write also everything. Whatever I have written, you have to write it down. Come on, write it down. I'll be waiting for you. Write down what I have written on the board, and then as soon as you finish writing, just say yes, sir, and your name.
Yes, sir. Musani Alisha.
Alisha's handwriting. Oh my God.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, your screen is off only.
Beta, you are holding your phone like this.
No.
Oh, how is it possible? No, it is not possible, beta. You have to turn your screen like this.
Okay, sir. Now, sir,
Okay. I know, beta. I know because here internet connection is very, very good. So it will never get blur. It will never get half. The problem will be in yours now, especially
sir,
for you people. See, especially for you people, I have arranged this because essay writing, letter writing. If you will learn on the board, you will understand more. And I hope you enjoy this lecture more.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to clear the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, mute your mic, everyone. Now, beta, I'm going to clear the board because I have to still solve exercise number one. We have already solved four sentences. We need to continue from fifth one, then only we will finish. If you have left out anything, you can watch the video lecture again from the YouTube link. So don't worry. YouTube link is for that only. Okay. Sentence E. We have to start from sentence E. Okay. Now, Sakina, Rajani
Yes,
Sakina,
sir.
are you there? Just read the question, beta.
Okay, sir. The magical
Very good.
voice of the sing was
Voice, voice of the
voice of the was
singer
singer was
admired.
admired by all.
Okay. So the magical voice of the singer was admired by all. Now, Sakina, you just tell me what is noun in the sentence. Noun means what, beta? Noun means any name. It can be the name of person, it can be the name of animal, or it is not necessary that noun should be name. See, you are a girl, so girl is not the name, but girl is noun, right? Because girl is common noun. So, how many nouns you can see here? Singer is noun.
Yes.
Okay. So singer is noun here. Singer is noun. Okay. Voice is also noun. Voice.
No.
No. Okay. So what is adjective? What is adjective? Adjective means what, beta? The word which will tell more about the noun. If I say Sakina, so Sakina is a good girl. See, good is adjective because good says something about you, correct? Similarly, adjective says something about noun. So about singer, which word says in the detail or describes the singer? Which word describes the singer? Anyone wants to solve?
Magical
Yes, sir.
voice.
Magical
Yes,
voice?
sir. Can I listen, sir? Can I write an
Sir,
answer?
can I email?
Hold on, hold on. Iman Fatima, wait, Iman Fatima,
Yes, sir.
your friend said magical voice. So, what according to you is the adjective?
Sir, at my according, that's voice.
Voice? Um, no,
Or
voice is not adjective.
sir, that
Huh?
one at
Admired.
yes.
Beta, admired means you know what? Let me explain you. Admire means you follow someone. Okay. Admired by all means all were following that singer. You see Arijit Singh, then Arman Malik, these all are the good singers, so we follow them, right?
Yes.
So admired means to follow. That is not telling any detail.
Okay. So, sir, the magical voice.
Yes. So that is an adjective. Why?
Sir, because the adjective that describes about singer that
Yes, adjective is which describes the noun. Noun is singer, magical voice describes the singer. That is why magical voice is adjective. Girls, any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Can I write
No,
another
sir.
question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir.
I said that can I write another question? Then you are saying no, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right.
Yes.
I know Alicia is only
Yes.
teaching like this.
No, sir.
I liked.
No,
Okay, don't cry. Now mute your mic.
sir. I'm not crying. I am
I know when you,
laughing.
whenever you fight with your brother, you start crying. I've heard that.
Who tell you?
I will not tell you. Rohan sir
So,
has the detail of each and every student. Okay, jokes apart, mute your mic. I have written another question. I liked reading the story because it was interesting. First of all, observe the question properly. I will call out the name, only then you will answer. Before that, Alicia, just tell me what is the time?
okay. 8:33.
Okay, great stuff. Okay, now just call out one name, Alicia. I suppose new name should come because those who did
Okay.
not get the chance.
Um,
No one is the group has the name.
Farhana Lada.
Okay, both the sisters will speak now. They will fight.
Yes, sir.
Farhana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, today don't fight with your sister. Huh? Yesterday you were fighting. Your sister said, I told you this is the answer. You said, I told you this is the answer. I think, right? You were fighting.
No, sir.
She was just giving you acknowledgement that, okay, this was the answer. Okay, anyways, Farhana, just read the sentence written on the board.
I like reading the story because it was interesting.
So, Farhana, you were reading story, you are not attending class.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, Farhana, so this is the sentence. Now, first of all, tell me, what is the noun here? It can be common noun, it can be proper noun, any noun. So what is the noun here?
Interesting.
Hold on. Interesting is not noun. I am asking you about what is noun. Noun.
Story.
Yes, very good. Story is noun. And what is adjective?
Interesting.
Excellent. Why interesting is an adjective? Just you have to
Because
explain your friends, no? That is
because
why.
storybook is interesting.
See, story book is not mentioned. It is just written that story. So here the name of the story is not given.
Yeah.
Story. Story is noun, common noun because name is not given. If I say Akbar and Birbal story, then it is proper noun. But here story is common noun, but it is still a noun. Which word is describing the noun? Interesting. Story was interesting. So interesting word tells us in detail about the noun story. That is why interesting is adjective. Girls, any doubt you can speak. If you have doubt in these two sentences, you can ask me. Come on. Otherwise, I will clear the board and write the next sentence. Have a look. I hope you are writing the answers. Yes or no? In the textbook or in the rough book. Come on.
Yes, sir, we are writing.
Very good. If you have any doubts, please ask me right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, dear.
Sir, I really like storybook.
Then go and read that.
Sir, I have.
Which storybook do you prefer to read?
Sir, I have Aladdin storybook, then Princess storybook.
Mm-hmm. What else? Like you have literally the book with you, or you read on YouTube or somewhere. Huh, what do you mean by hai? It is not English word, hai. I'm asking you that do you have really the story book with you or do you read on the mobile?
No, sir, I have.
Great stuff. Anyways, students, we have solved two. Now two are remaining, G and sorry, G and H. That is what I'm giving you in the homework. I will send you the PDF file. If you don't have textbook, don't worry at all. Okay. And just write the homework and we will move on to the next topic, introduction, and then we will end the lecture. I hope you are enjoying today's lecture much more better than the other lectures. If yes, then say yes. If no, then say no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, you do every day this one only?
As you say, if you say this,
Yes,
then
sir.
I will do this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you did
Yes, sir.
this only. Yes, sir.
Sir, can I
Okay,
tell
beta.
1 minute?
Who is this? Alisha. Yes, you can.
Sir, you do this because every day your face I can see.
Okay, because see here, if you see the face expression, hand movement, gestures, then you can understand the topic more clearly. This is what you mean, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you are excused.
Sir, we have to write exercise in textbook or rough book?
In textbook, better. Because
Okay, sir.
never you have to make the fair book for grammar. Yes, if you do not have textbook, then you have to write in the rough book, but you have to solve because during the time of exam, you will say that I don't have the notes, sir, send me the notes. That is not possible because I would have deleted everything by the time because my phone storage gets full. Okay, can I clear the board? I want to write one last thing.
Yes, sir.
Alisha, what is the
No,
time?
sir, 1 minute. I am writing
Sir,
homework.
Okay, okay.
8:39.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, no problem. Can I clear first sentence, beta?
Yes, sir. You do first and second word.
Sir,
Second
8:39.
also. No problem. Now, just last thing. Now just fold your hands. You don't have to write anything. I will have to change the marker. Just a minute.
Yes, sir. You change it.
So that you
Yes,
all
sir,
can
you
see it
can.
clearly.
What?
So that you people can see clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Hold on.
Sir, in my mobile call is coming and can I left?
Yes, yes, dear.
I am joining.
No problem. I think in your syllabus, no more than this is going to come. Okay. So there are basically five types of adjective we are going to understand. I think it's 840 or 41. So I don't have to explain you that. But in short, let me tell you one last thing. You in your syllabus, you are going to study these five types of adjectives: adjective of quality, quantity, number. These all are very much, easy, very, very, very easy because it is like if you understand this, you will understand both of this. So it is very easy, but only if you pay attention 100% to the lecture. So please make sure that you regularly join the lecture so that you will not miss out anything. Okay. And possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective. These two adjectives are such that if you will watch one or two times, you will understand. Yes, it is not as easy as these three are. If you will remember this, you will be able to answer all the possessive and demonstrative adjective till your 10th standard. It is so much important. So please make sure that you come in all the lectures and watch all the lectures regularly so that you will be able to clear your doubts in the lecture. If you don't come to lecture, what happens? You have to just watch the video and that's it. Okay, so I hope you understand. These are the 5 types of adjective. We are going to start from the next lecture. Any doubts so far in what is adjective, exercise one, or anything? Then please ask me.
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I hope that throughout this lecture, my screen was clear, girls.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
very much clear.
Yes, sir. It's very clear and we see everything.
Yes,
Great
sir.
stuff. So, what is the time?
For 8:43.
8:43.
Okay, students, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye,
Have a
sir. Have a
great
nice
day.
day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Why you can remove me?
What?
In group, why you can remove me?
I can't remove you, okay?
What